Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
When you ask, what is my Gmail verification code, it's important to understand it's not a fixed password you memorize. Instead, it's a unique, temporary security code that Google generates and sends directly to you. This happens whenever Google needs to verify your identity, like when you sign into your Gmail account from an unfamiliar computer, a new phone, or if you are attempting to reset your password. This code is usually a 6-digit number, and it's essential for keeping your account secure. To find your current verification code, you need to check the method Google uses to send it to you. Most commonly, it arrives as a text message on the phone number linked to your Gmail account. Look for a message from Google or a short numerical sender ID in your SMS inbox. If you've set up a recovery email, check that inbox thoroughly and don't forget to look in your spam or junk folders, as sometimes it lands there. For users with the Google Authenticator app, simply open the app to see the constantly changing code. Google might also send a direct prompt to another device where you are already signed in, asking you to confirm your login attempt. These codes are always time-sensitive, meaning they expire after a short period, so you must use them quickly on the Google sign-in screen. Crucially, never share this code with anyone who contacts you unexpectedly by phone, text, or email. Google will never proactively ask you for this code. Only enter it yourself on the official Google login page to protect your personal account information and prevent unauthorized access.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.